So we have a new topic from uh, from SQL, that is operators in SQL. I'll repeat. I'll repeat. We have a new topic: operators. Operators in SQL, and we have 7 types of operators. We have totally 7 types of operator. The first one is arithmetic operator, concatenation operator, comparison, relational, logical, special, and subquery operator. I'll repeat again. We have totally 7, and from these 7, we know what is arithmetic: plus, minus, division, and multiplication. Addition of 10% hike, 10% hike, so plus 10%. Reduction of 25%, so minus 25%. So percentage 10 divided by 100 divided by 100, 25 divided by 100, multiplication. So we have seen this one also. No need to do anything with arithmetic operator. Then something called concatenation. Any idea what is concatenation? Concatenation. Concat.
Adding two numbers.
Yes, it's not only number. We can add any two values. Along with the numbers also, we can add any two values. So concatenation. It says it is used to merge or join or combine two strings. To combine or join or merge any two strings is called as concatenation. For example, see, we have employee table here. Select star from EMP, and after that I want to concat employee name and department number, or I want to concat employee number and department number. So what I do? Select which EMP number. So we have a symbol for concat. Parallel lines, two parallel lines. From which table? From EMP table. So we'll get appended. Appended is nothing but combined value. So concat is nothing but it is used to merge two strings or any two values. So if I do with employee name and salary. If I go with employee name and salary, these two columns will be merged. So employee name, salary, merged. So that's what concatenation is used for. What is concatenation? It says it is used to merge or join or combine two strings. So done with concatenation. There is no, we don't use this, but still we should know what is the concatenation operator. And then coming to comparison. Comparison equals to, not equals to. What is equal to? Who are working as a salesman. So who are working as a salesman? So what we'll write? Where job is equal to salesman. Working as a clerk, where job is equal to clerk. Who are getting salary 2000, where salary is equal to 2000. So comparing, we'll see what is this comparing. We don't use this one also, but we have generally we have used this one. Equals to, and this is not equals to, not equals to. I'll explain this little later. Then relational. We have seen this one also. Salary less than 2000, salary greater than 2000. So we have seen this relational also. Less than or equal, and we have greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We'll see this greater than or equals to or less than equals to in having clause. Maybe after 3 days. Maybe after 3 days, we'll see what is this greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. But apart from these two, we know this one. Who are getting salary less than 3000, who are getting salary greater than 3000. So we know this one, relational operator. So then the main one, logical operator. So from yesterday we have seen in where clause we can use conditions, and we can also use multiple conditions with the help of logical operators. So if we want to write multiple conditions inside where clause, we have to use logical operator, either and or not. So that is logical operator. So we'll see what is logical operator. It is used to write multiple conditions inside the where clause. Logical operator is used to write multiple conditions inside the where clause. And we have three types of logical operators. One is and, second one is or, and the third one is not. And or not. So what is and? And logical operator, it says it returns true, which means it returns the output if all the conditions are satisfied. It returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. For example, so we are around 6 students. We have around 1 second. So logical operator and or not. So what is and? It returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. It returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. So we have 15 students. 15 students. So tomorrow I'll be taking class. And I'll give the condition everyone should attend. Everyone should attend. That means totally 15 students have to attend. 15 students has to attend. And if I tell that everyone should attend the class, no one should miss. So if everybody comes, I'll take the class. Yes, I'll take the class. Even if one doesn't come. So even if one doesn't come, I will not take the class. Even if one doesn't come, I'll not take the class. So I said, if everyone should attend the class, if everyone comes, I'll take the session. If one doesn't come, I'll not take the class. Which means just because somebody is not attending the session, the remaining 14 people are wasted. So they don't have class. In the same way here also, and says it returns true. That means it will give the output only in case if all the conditions are satisfied. So whenever we are using and, all those conditions should be satisfied. That means all those conditions should be present in the database. If it is present, then the compiler will give the output. So if I'm having 4 conditions, I'm having 4 conditions. From these 4 conditions, condition 1, 2, 3 are satisfied. 3 are satisfied, and condition number 4, it is not satisfied. I don't have any data for the 4th condition, which means I will not get any output. No. Even if these first, second, third conditions are also satisfied, but still just because the condition 4 is not satisfied, I will not get the output for any of the satisfied condition. So no output, which means if we are using AND operator, whatever the number of conditions we will be giving in the where clause should be matched, should be satisfied. So that is and we will give the output only in case if all the conditions are satisfied. Even if one condition is not satisfied, we will not get the output. Then coming to OR. What is OR? It returns true if any one of the conditions is satisfied. If any one of the conditions is satisfied. So same example again. Same example. We have 15 students. And I'll ask, tomorrow I'll take session. You can attend. Tomorrow I'll take session. You people can attend. That means either if everybody comes, that's okay. Even if 10 people comes, that's okay. Even if one comes, that's okay. I'll take the class. Yes, I'll take the class. If all comes, I'll take the class. Even if one comes, I'll take the class. That means one condition also satisfied. We'll get the output. So if it is OR, so consider I'm having 10 conditions. From these 10 conditions, the first 9 conditions, 1 to 9 conditions are not satisfied. Not satisfied. But only one condition is satisfied. One condition is satisfied. So I'll get the output Based on that condition only, I'll get the output for only that one. So there is a difference between and or. So we have seen this in last class. When I was using and, there was an optimum output. When I was using or operator, there was maximum output. So we'll see what is and or now. Then logical not operator. What is not? It is a inverse operator. It is a inverse. What is inverse? Reverse. What is reverse? The selected values will get rejected. The selected values will be rejected. The same example again. We have 15 students. I'll choose any one. I'll tell him or her, tomorrow you should not attend the session. Particularly I'll mention, for example, somebody called Nayak. I have a person called Nayak in this session. So I'll target him and I'll tell him, Nayak, tomorrow you should not attend my session. So, which means I have selected this Nayak, only he should be ignored. Which means the remaining can attend. Remaining can attend the session. Remaining can attend the session. So not logical operator. It is an inverse. What is inverse? The values which we select will be rejected. Yeah. So the values which we will select will be rejected. So from these 15 student, I have selected somebody called Nayak. So I don't want him to attend the session. So I have selected Nayak. So this will be ignored. This will be rejected. The values which I have selected will be rejected, and except the value which we have selected, we will get the remaining. We will get the remaining 14 output. In the same way here, we'll see what is logical not operator. Up to clear, is it any doubt? Any doubt so far regarding and or with the theory? I'll explain with the practicals within the moment. Up to here, any doubts, people? Aditya, team, any doubts? Tanga?
No, sir, clear.
Very good. So now make a heading. Make a heading logical operator. It is very important. Make a heading logical operator. So after this logical operator, make a subheading and logical operator. And if done, copy the query. Copy the query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of the employees. Write a query to display details of the employees who are working as a salesman, who are working as a salesman in the department number 30. I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display details of the employees. Details of the employees who are working as a salesman. Who are working as a salesman in department number 30. Any answer? Select.
Start from.
Select.
Start from.
From
EMP.
Where?
Job equal.
Yes. Job equals to
single quotes salesman.
Salesman.
Then and department number 30 equal to 30
is equal to 30. So yes, there are people who are working as salesmen only in department number 30. So both the conditions are satisfied. In case if I ask the compiler, department number 10, I want salesman from department number 10. what it says? It says no row selected. No row selected. So that's what it returns true. What? And operator returns true only in case if all the conditions are satisfied. So here I'm having two conditions. The first condition is job should be salesman, and the second condition is they should be working in department number 30. Yes, it is satisfied. We have salesman and they are working in department number 30. We have salesman 30, again 30, salesman. So it is satisfied. But here in the second query, I have just changed it to department number 10. So there is no person who is working as a salesman in department number 10. But we have clerk, we have president, we have manager. We have different designations in department number 10, but we don't have any salesman in the department number 30. So here one condition is satisfied. Job is salesman, that is satisfied, but second condition is not satisfied. So both the condition has to be satisfied. Then only we will get the output. So that's what and operator returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. So this is and. Copy this one, make it fast. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Details of employees. Details of employees who are getting salary greater than 2000 in department number 20. Write a query to display. Details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2000 in department number 20. Any answer? Any answer?
Select star from
Select star
EMP.
EMP
where
where salary greater than 2000,
salary greater than 2000
comma, and
and
Job.
department number
Department
what job is
20.
department number. Department number is equal to
20.
so there are 3 persons who are getting salary greater than 2000 in department number 20. So this is the output. Copy that. So you've done.
yes sir.
Yes, make a subheading or logical operator or
Okay sir.
logical operator. Done.
Yes, sir.
So write a
Yes,
query. Write a query. Write a query to display. Details of the employees. Details of the employees who are working as a clerk or working in department number 30. I repeat again. Write a query to display. Details of the employees who are working as a clerk or working in department number 30. Any answer?
Select star from
From
EMP.
EMP.
Where job equal to clerk.
Wait.
Job equal to clerk.
Job equals to single quoted
Clerk or
or
department number equal to 30.
department number is equal to 30, which means either I want the details of the employees who are working as a clerk, or I want the details of the employees who are working in department 30. So I'm having both. I'm having the details of clerk.
It show both details, sir.
Yes, it will show. That's what.
Okay.
It returns true even if one of the conditions is satisfied. It returns true even if one of the conditions is satisfied. For example, I'm having clerk, yes, please satisfied. I'm having department number 30, yes, please satisfied. But in case if I go with 40, there is no 40, only clerk. But I'm having department number 10, 20, 30.
I have one doubt, sir. Sir, I want same time two department numbers.
You want
20. I want same time two department numbers.
then again you should use and here. Which department number you want?
30.
Fine. I'll go with the 10 and 30. I'll get both. See, this is a little confusing. I'll tell. What is R? See, I just told you 15 students. From these 15 students, even if one comes, I'll take the session. I said, from these 15 students, even if one student comes, I'll take session, which means even the remaining comes. I said one, but even the remaining 14 comes, it's okay. I'll take the session. In the same way here, we will be giving multiple conditions. Condition 1, condition 2. Whichever the number of conditions are satisfied, let it continue. Let it come. So that's what the R says. Even if one condition is satisfied, we will get the output. If all the conditions are satisfied, we'll get the output. Clear? Even if one condition is satisfied, we will get the output. Even if all the conditions are satisfied, we will get the output.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes. Copy this. Copy this one. Copy the next query. Write about display. Write a query to display details of the employees write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2,500.
Salary?
Salary greater than 2,500. Write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2,500 or the employees should be working as an analyst. Write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2,500 or employees should be working as an analyst. So either I want the details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2,500 or I want the details of the employees who are working as an analyst. Any answer?
Can select start from.
Select
Start from
from MP.
AMP. Where? Salary greater than 2,500.
Salary greater than 2,500
Or
or
a job
job
equal to analyst. Single quotes.
Job equal to single quoted
Single quotes. Analyst.
analyst. Analyst. So I'll get both. See, this is salary greater than 2,500. So somebody is getting 2,500, 2,500. So more than salary greater than 2,500. Condition satisfied, and along with that, people who are working as analysts. So I'm just having one analyst. There is only one analyst who is getting salary greater than 2,500, and except him, these are the people who are getting salary greater than 1,500, 2,500. He might be manager, he might be president, leave or whatever it may be. In case, if I ask like worker, some worker, it is not there. It should be some worker. I'll get somehow. So here, I don't have anybody called worker because it is not satisfied. But it is satisfied with the condition salary greater than 2,500. So these are all the people who are getting salary greater than 2,500. So even if one condition is satisfied, we will get the output. So here one condition is satisfied, and here the second condition is not satisfied. Even though the second condition is not satisfied, we will get the output. So that's what we have read. Or operator will return true. It will return true even if one of the condition is satisfied. Even if one of the condition is satisfied. So copy this one. Next query. Write a query to display name and department number of employees who
Name
are
and
name and department number.
okay,
Write a
department.
query to display name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10 or department number 20. Name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10 or
Department.
department number 20. Any answer?
Select
Select
e-name,
name,
comma,
uh,
and department number.
where
Where department number equal to
department number is equal to
10
10 or
department number equal to 20.
so department number equal to 10 or department is equal to 20. So the people who are working in department number 10 and 20 is so this is the output. Both the conditions are satisfied here. Department 10 is also satisfied. Department 20 is also satisfied. So copy the same query. Write a query to display name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10, 20, 30. Who are working in department number 10, 20, 30. I give the query. Write a query to display name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10, 20, 30. Any answer?
Hello.
Select
T name,
name,
department number
department number,
from EMP,
MP,
where department number
where department number,
10,
department number
10
is equal to,
is equal to 10,
okay,
20, 30.
20,
20, 30.
30. So is line number 3. SQL command not properly ended. So line number 3. What is line number 3? Where department number. So
N
let's
and
see.
I think
Which means
and
department
sir,
number 10 or
and or
no,
okay.
it is not one. So comma indicates or. Don't worry it. Comma indicates or. Department number equals to 20 or
Yeah.
department number is equal to 30. So department is equal to 10 or department is equal to 20 or department is equal to 30. See, here we just have department number 10, 20 and 30. So we can write away department is equal to 10, 20, 30. What if we have hundreds of departments? We cannot keep on write where departments go to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's a huge process. And we have a shortcut for this. We'll see this little later. We have a shortcut. Instead of writing this one 10 department number 10 or department 20 or 30 or 40 or 60 or and it goes, we have a shortcut. So we'll see this little later. So as of now, this is the syntax. Copy this. So these are all the employees name along with the department name who are working in 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20, 30. Copy this. Make a next subheading. Not logical operator. Not. Make a subheading. Not logical operator. And we shall solve 2 queries, 2 to 3 queries. Make a heading. Not logical operator. Copy a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Name, comma job, and department number of employees, name, comma job, and department number of employees who are not working in department number 20. I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display name, comma job, and department number of employees. Department number of employees who are not working in department number 20. Department number 20. So it says, the query says, I want the name, job, and the department number of the employees who are not working in department number 20. That means I don't want employees name, employees job, or employees department number from department number 20. Except that I want the remaining. So I'll go with one. Select what? Employee name, comma, job, comma, department number from EMP who are not working in department number 20. Who are not working in department number 20. That means not department number is equal to 20. That means I don't want any person's name, any employee's name, any job, any department from 20. Except 20, I want the remaining one. So what is not operator? It is an inverse operator. The values which we select will be rejected. So here we have selected 20 and here it is rejected. So the value which we will select will be rejected. In case if I make it 10, 10 will be rejected. 10 will be rejected. We'll get 20 and 30. In case if I make it 30, 30 will be rejected. We'll get 10 and 20. So we have only 10 and 20. So that is not operator. It is a, so always remember, we will be getting, you will be getting number of times not operator. Not only with respect to logical operator, in the upcoming classes, we will also be getting multiple times not. So whenever you get a operator name called not, remember it is an inverse operator. What is inverse? Reverse. What is reverse? The value which we will select, that will be rejected. the values which we will be selecting will be rejected. So that is not operator. Clear so far with not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Copy this one. Copy the syntax. Copy the next query. Details of the employees. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Details of the employees. Details of the employees. Who are not working as a salesman. Who are not working as a salesman. So I want the details of the employees, but they should not be salesmen. Except salesmen, I want the remaining. Any answer? I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display details of the employees. Details of the employees who are not working as a salesman. Any answer?
Select
Okay.
select star
Okay.
from EMB
Okay.
where not
Okay.
Sir,
job equal to
Not
job is
equal
equal to
salesman.
yes. Where not job is equal to single quoted.
Salesman.
Then I don't want the details of the persons, people who are working as salesmen. There is no salesman here. So not says the value which is selected is rejected. So here I have selected salesman, it is rejected. If I select clerk, clerk will be rejected. Whichever I choose, for example, I can do one more thing here. What I can do, salesman and not job is equal to single quoted clerk. Let us check what happens. There is no clerk, there is no salesman. So this is also possible. So we have
Sir,
selected.
we can take department number 2, right?
Of course, we can. So what you want? So who are not working in salesman and not department number is equal to 20. I'll take 20. I'll take department number 20 also. So people should not be working as a salesman, and I don't want people from department 20 also. I'll get only 10. So department 10 and 30. I don't have salesmen. I don't have people from department 20. Only manager, president, and clerk. Clear? So, once again.